Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact ESP32 model and current firmware version so you flash the correct image. Once done, install Python 3, X and Esp32, Pi, and make sure USB serial drivers are present. Connect the board with a known good USB cable or a FTDI adapter, and note the COM or /dev/TTY device. Make sure the board has power and is not in deep sleep. This prepares the hardware and host for a reliable flashing session. You now enter bootloader mode by holding GPO 0 low while resetting, if your board requires it. Next, run Esp32 to erase flash to clear old partitions, then use write flash with the correct offsets for bootloader, partition table, and application binaries. Make sure you select the right flash mode and frequency so timing matches the chip. Verify the binary checksum before flashing if the tool reports errors. Stop and recheck connections and COM port settings to avoid bricking the device. You finish by resetting the ESP32 and opening a serial monitor at the device baud rate, typically 115,200, to watch boot messages and confirm the new firmware version. Then run basic tests like Wi-Fi connect or peripheral checks to validate behavior. If something goes wrong, immediately recheck wiring, USB power stability, and driver assignments. Try reflashing or rolling back to a known good image. One key troubleshooting tip: a faulty cable or intermittent power causes most flash failures. Swap the cable and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.